Welcome to Lipapaa Info. Have you ever wondered about the magical world of hummingbirds? These tiny, vibrant creatures are full of surprises, and today we're diving into some amazing facts about these little wonders of nature. Let's get started. 1. Hummingbirds are the smallest migrating birds. While they are tiny, hummingbirds embark on long, migratory journeys. Some species, like the ruby-throated hummingbird, migrate up to 2,000 miles between North and Central America during the winter months. 2. They have exceptional memory. Hummingbirds can remember every flower they visited, the timing of their visits, and the quality of the nectar in each flower. They can also remember the location of feeders and will return to them at the same time each day. 3. Hummingbirds have rapid heartbeats. A hummingbird's heart can beat up to 1,200 times per minute during flight. To sustain their high energy demands, they have to consume half their body weight in sugar daily, primarily from flower nectar. 4. Their wings can rotate 180 degrees. Unlike most birds, hummingbirds have the unique ability to rotate their wings 180 degrees in all directions, allowing them to hover in place, fly backward, and make sharp turns mid-air. 5. They have specialized eyesight. Hummingbirds can see ultraviolet light, which allows them to spot flowers that are invisible to the human eye. They also have excellent color vision and can see the red spectrum of light, which is why they are attracted to brightly colored flowers. 6. Hummingbirds consume nectar for energy but also eat insects. While nectar provides essential sugars, hummingbirds also feed on insects like spiders and ants for protein, vitamins, and minerals. This balanced diet helps them maintain their high energy levels. 7. Hummingbirds have a unique torpor state. During cold nights or extreme weather, hummingbirds can enter a state called torpor, where their body temperature drops significantly and their metabolism slows down to conserve energy. This allows them to survive when food is scarce. 8. They have tiny, rapid brains. Despite their small size, hummingbirds have large brains for their body size. Their brains control complex motor functions, such as hovering and navigating long distances, making them exceptionally agile and intelligent birds. 9. Hummingbirds are territorial. They are highly territorial and often fiercely defend feeding territories against other hummingbirds. Their aggressive behavior can include dive-bombing competitors to chase them away from feeders. 10. Some species can fly up to 60 miles per hour. In certain flight conditions, hummingbirds can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, especially during courtship displays or when trying to escape predators.
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video.